guys, welcome back to Fresh Hobby. In today's video, we'll talk about one more latest off-campus placement opportunity from Elite Software. So in this video, we'll discuss all the things such as the job role, the job location, we'll discuss about the company and the target batch, about the salary. So we'll discuss all these things in detail one by one. So please don't skip the video in between and watch the video till the end to get a complete idea over this opportunity. So let's begin. So Elite Softech is hiring for the position of a full stack web developer, and very firstly we'll talk about the company. So we are an established and leading software product development company. We enjoy virtual monopoly in our chosen software product verticals due to the quality of our product, service and our dedicated team. We pride ourselves for creating simple to use yet excellent software products. We love what we do. We consider our team as our biggest asset. We strive to maintain work-life balance for everyone on our team. So they have mentioned this information in the about the company section. And also they have provided here the official link for the company, and the job location for the same will be Pune, and the desired experience will be freshers. And the core specializations will be all the BE, BTech holders in the streams like computer science and IT, and BCA and MCA holders are eligible for this opportunity from Elite Softech. And the target batch will be 2019 and 2020 grads, and the CTC they are providing is from 2 to 4 LPA. The final CTC will depend upon candidates' performance in the interview and will be at the company discussion. The tentative date of interview will be communicated post registration window is closed, and the tentative date of joining will be immediate joining. Further, they have mentioned the shortlisted candidates will be sent admit cards, call letters on the registered email ID, which they will need to carry on the date of interview. So no candidate will be entertained by the company without the formal intimation from aspiring minds. So very firstly you have to register for this opportunity from Elite. So talking about the job description, so they have mentioned things like design, develop, test, deploy, maintain various web apps, use various front-end and back-end frameworks, develop high-quality software, write unit tests, conduct code reviews, and further skill set required will be expert in PHP, expert in HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, expert in Symfony or Laravel framework, expert in Bootstrap, jQuery, and either in React or Vue.js. So further they have mentioned clear and timely communication, high accuracy and attention to detail, dynamic and pleasing personality, be able to work independently or in a team. So these are the things like skill sets one must have. And in note they have written here like virtual training. So once you are finally placed for this opportunity, so they are going to provide you virtual training. And talking about the interview process, so they will very firstly shortlist your CVs, which you will fill all this in the registration form, and after that they'll conduct an online technical test, and after that they'll conduct a technical interview, and the final interview, that is the HR, they'll go to. So these are the all basic information one must know if he or she is applying for this Elite Softech opportunity for a full stack web developer. So we have seen the complete information. If you are willing to apply or read all these basic details once more, I will provide the link for the same in the description box of the video. So please don't forget to check that link out to read all this information and for applying. So if you are willing to apply, just go to that link and click here on the apply now button. So after clicking here, you will be just redirected to the next page. So there you have to fill all the basic details they'll ask you to fill and upload your CV. So in this way you can apply for this opportunity from Elite Softech. And I come up with this kind of opportunities on a regular basis. So please don't forget to subscribe to Fresh Hobby for more such updates, and like this video and share this video with your friends who are looking for new opportunities. And I hope you guys like this video, and if you come across any type of queries, then please don't forget to mention all those queries in the comment section below. I will reply to all your queries ASAP. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.